Mini rescue videos are going absolutely viral right now on TikTok. This TikTok page got 239,000 followers and millions of views, like 5 million, 8 million, even 20+ million on simple short clips. And the crazy part? You can create these videos in just a few minutes using AI. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make your own mini rescue videos, even if you're starting from zero. But before we start, here's what I made in less than 5 minutes.
Push harder, the water is coming through! It stopped! We are saved! Hooray!
So, to get started, copy the master prompt from the link in the description, then go to ChatGPT and paste the master prompt and hit generate. It's going to give you 10 different scenes to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or say more if you want more options. I'm going to go with number 5. Once it's loaded, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option, turn on your desired settings, paste the prompt in, and hit enter. In seconds, a set of images will be right in front of you. Choose the one that looks the most thrilling and cinematic. Click on it. Click the 3 dots and choose Animate. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt and paste it directly in. Hit enter. In just a few minutes, you've created a viral-style mini rescue video. The key is to keep experimenting. Try different scenes, different environments, and different emotions. Now watch another one I created using the exact same method.
Push! It's moving! I can't hold it! Hooray! We did it! We are safe! Hooray! We made it!
If you're serious about growing with AI, everything you need is waiting for you in the description. All the links are available, and if this helped you even a little, hit that like button. It really helps push this out to more people. Subscribe to Unseen Prompts, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.